Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this video. Literally, I'm so excited. So this video is going to be trying and sharing and swatching and literally just looking at them. I'm so excited to show you that I have ordered the new Revolution cookies. I'm so excited. So Revolution recently launched these brand new cookie palettes. So the reason I fell in love with them straight away was because I got the donuts in PR, my first PR package from Revolution. They sent me out their donuts and I absolutely loved them. And when I saw these, I was just like, I've got to get them. I've just got to get them. So I've got all of them, decided to get them all, and they've literally just sent something saying, hello Melissa, thank you for, like, welcome to the Revolution. I'm already with you ladies, don't worry. And I'm going to show you guys all of them. So I got the triple chocolate one, I got the birthday cake one, and it's my birthday next week, so I'm so excited. I got the chocolate chip one and the red velvet one. So I'm going to show you guys all of them, but first of all, the packaging is insane, and oh my god, I cannot explain how squidgy the packaging is. Like, can you see how it literally like sinks in? Sorry about my gross nails, I've been cleaning and yeah, no, but look how cute. Oh my god. So these are way bigger than the donuts. Like, look at the difference. Very bigger, much bigger. So this one is the red velvet. So basically it comes in this gorgeous little cookie palette, and you open it up, you get a mirror, and then you get your palette itself. So these are the colors. I am obsessed with this. This is just, oh, I just can't wait to use them. So this one is the red velvet, and you get 8 shades. That's really good for a small palette, you know. Then this one is called the chocolate chip one. I think this packaging is my favourite so far because it's very cookie vibes. I've never seen a red cookie before. So this one is the chocolate chip one, and this has got, again, it's got 8 shades in it, and this is the palette itself. Very nice. I love this colour here, really nice. So, oh, I'm so excited. Birthday cake. This one is definitely going to be my favourite because I mean, it's my birthday next week. This is just perfect. So it's got yellow with little pink chips on it, and this is a birthday cake. So pretty. I love that one. That is very much my vibes. And then the last one is the triple chocolate one, which is, again, gorgeous. So this is triple chocolate. Oh, I really like the packaging on that one. And these are the colours of that one. So you guys, I'm going to pick one and I'm going to do a look on one of them. I can't do them all. I will do that, but they'll be coming in different videos. So make sure you subscribe, you know, so I'll do them one by one, but I want to pick one. And I think I am going to do the chocolate chip. I'm just going to start basic and work my way up. So I'm going to swatch the chocolate chip for you guys, and then I'm going to see what kind of look that we can create with this palette. So it's got 8 shades, so I'm going to swatch them for you. Ooh. Oh, I like that green. Okay, so they are some of the colours. I love that gold, the pink. Very pretty, very pretty. And then that's the dark colour there. I'm going to do this gorgeous green. Oh, that green is beautiful. And then this sort of goldy green. And then the brown, and then the colour in the middle. And then that's the other colours. That is beautiful. I love that green, and I love this colour on the end as well. Very pretty. So I'm gonna do something with this palette. let's see what we can create. I've literally just got a natural makeup look, like I've just done my makeup because I was vlogging. So I've just got mascara, foundation, concealer, blah de blah de blah. So I'm obviously going to start off with a crease, like a nice crease colour. Did I wash my makeup brushes? Did I wash my makeup brushes? No. Should have I done? Okay, so I'm going to go in with this colour here. There's no shade names. And let's see how we go. Ooh. Wow. Very pigmented, to be fair. Whoa. It's like a mustardy colour. By the way, I am no MUA. I'm literally just me. Like, I can't do makeup amazingly. Like, I just do how I do it. But it's my goal for this year to learn how to do really great eye makeup and just makeup in general. I really want to improve my skills on it. And what's a better time than during lockdown? That is a very, very dark colour. That's what I went in afterwards. So we've got like an orangey brown vibe going. So I'm going to go in with that nude colour again and just try and blend it a little bit. Okay. Okay, so it's quite difficult to like work out what kind of look I want to do, considering it's a cookie. So obviously I can't make my eyes look like a cookie. I'm not that talented, but I'm just going to try and use sort of as many colours in the palette as I can. I think I'm going to do let's look at it this way. I think I'm going to do these two colours, which I really like. So I'm going to do something with the green. I don't know what. I'm literally just winging this. Like, I generally don't know what I'm doing. Like, I've got no inspiration. Like, no one else has done these videos yet. I haven't seen any, so okay, I'm going to put some of that green, nice green, on the outer bit. Okay. That colour is not pigmented, really. Not on the eye anyway. Like, I'm not really getting much pigment. No, it's a very sheer green, to be fair. Very sheer. Okay, so that green just doesn't want to work with me, so okay. Let's go in with that goldy kind of colour. Why am I not getting that green? I got it before when I swatched it. Okay, let's just go over the whole lid. I was going to do something a bit different, but it wouldn't work, so let's just go over the whole lid. We have some fallout. Okay, I don't know why, but that green is just not playing right. It's playing me. That green is playing me. So I'm gonna take this kind of goldy brown here. I'm gonna put some in the middle. Okay, so that first colour was really, really pigmented, that like orangey browny colour, but that green is not, like, it's not. You see my issue? It's coming out a lot better actually. Yeah, it was the brush, guys. A lot of the other colours just really worked well. So I'm going to do a little inner corner with that middle colour and see. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, I do like it. I like it. So I'm going to put a little bit more mascara on just to kind of darken the look up a little bit, and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I'm back, and okay guys, I'm back, and you know what, I'm really impressed with it. I do love the look. I think it is really nice now. It was just that green, it was just playing me a little bit, so let me know if you get this and you find the same thing with that green. But overall, like, do you know what, I just love Revolution. There's something about Revolution, they're just not like normal brands, but it's in a better way. So the reason I love them is because their palettes are always fun. Like, you're not just getting a palette, but they always make it exciting and fun, and they always do like little quirky things, like the fact that it's in the shape of a cookie and it squidges, like just things like that. So you guys, I'm going to be reviewing all of these palettes, but so far I'm going to give this palette, I would say I'm going to give this palette an 8 out of 10. Just because of that green, it was just playing me, but then maybe it's just me, I don't know, but I do love it. I think it's adorable. I'll put the prices of the palettes up on the screen. This is the packaging that it came in. These are just adorable and so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you're new, it means so much to me. And also come over to my Instagram. We are literally, I think we're like 20 away from 2,000. When we reach 2,000, I'm going to do a Revolution giveaway. So I might even like give away these, not these ones, but I'll obviously buy the cookies and I might give that away in a giveaway. So let me know your thoughts down below in the comments of what you thought of the palettes and of my eye look. And yeah, check out my Instagram, follow me, come say hello, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.